Hey, guess what? I am back from wherever I've been for the last year, or however long it's been. But guess what? I have another package, and it has been a long time, but I figure you'll probably like this one, so let's open this up. So I figure out how to do that because it's in like a cardboard envelope. Again, it is from CD Japan. Newfangled packaging. It looks like it rips open pretty easily, so this could be quicker than we think. So let's check it out. What could be inside? Of course it's a CD. Is anyone still buying CDs? I am. Probably nobody else, but regardless. Nice bubble wrap, taped in the back, and of course, what could this be? It is indeed Sakanaction's 834.194. I don't even know what that means, but that's what this is. They dropped a video last week, which was phenomenal. I'm sure you've all seen it. Let's take a good look at this. Here we go. Wow. It's kind of like a painting. It's blue. It's greenish gray. Gray cell green. Whatever. Here we go. Big thick booklet. So before we open this up, let's look at this totally black CD. Disc 1. Yeah, multiple discs. Put this back. And disc 2. So it kind of flops back and forth. You got the back cover here. Pretty neat. Here we go. Another inside piece. Track listing. Already there. 9 tracks, 9 tracks. Nice. There we go. Doesn't see that. Lyrics all on black. And it's black and black. One more picture. Guess what? Pretty much just black. So there it is. They are keeping it like artsy fartsy. Text on white, text on black, gray on black. Cover. I'm ready to enjoy this. I'm putting the CD in my car because that's pretty much the only CD player I have left now. And I can bump that in Durham. But again, thank you guys for coming back and visiting. It's been a long time. Thank you again. And if you know anybody that likes to watch me open these videos, what do they say on YouTube? Hit the subscribe button, like, whatever. Anyone who has already, thank you. And that's it. See you later.